Out here in the wilderness, there are many spiders. They're ferocious, they're calm, they're smart, and ever so witty. In Florida, there are over 70 identifiable species. However, this one, the Vulcaneae trashline orb-weaver, is quite unique. Otherwise known as the Cyclosa, these trashline orb-weavers do a relatively small web that is usually adorned with a web decoration. They are often linear decorations and include either prey remains or other debris, which probably serve to camouflage the spider. This camouflage provides a way for the spider to not stand out when other little creepy crawlies or buzzing little bugs come by. Thank you for your time. This has been an homage to Attenborough.